Hello everybody, welcome to another movie review. So today we are reviewing 12 Monkeys, which was released in 1995. As I gave a rating on this movie two different times, once in 2005, another time in 2015. Both times it was viewed in July. Gave this movie a rating of 10. 12 Monkeys is an unparalleled sci-fi thriller with stronger performances from Bruce Willis, Brad Pitt, and Madeleine Stowe. The role is outside of Brad Pitt's range, but he rises to the occasion and is given the nod for a much-deserved Oscar nomination for Best Supporting Actor. I have to say, this is one of Brad Pitt's top, I'd have to say at least top 5 or top 10% of his best work that he's ever done. Bruce Willis, I'd have to say this is his top 5 of best acting that he has ever done. Terry Gilliam's direction elevates the film to another level. It's also a confusing film to follow until the fatalistic ending that was substantially clear of the mystery. I have to tell you, this movie can be a little bit complicated, but it's rewarding once you understand what's going on. View the film about 4 to 5 times initially, and then you'll get a better picture of what the movie's about. Drawn to the story, I can't help myself from being fascinated by its jigsaw puzzle, and when the ending comes, there is a spooky disquietude about it. All in all, 12 Monkeys is one of the all-time great sci-fi pictures made, and may get a 10 for me the next time I see it. Remember, this movie really transitioned Brad Pitt's career into a serious one. So, if the movie had the power to do that, obviously it's a great picture. A few things I remember the most about 12 Monkeys are Brad Pitt's performance, the apocalyptic story, and the airport scene. Brad Pitt was good. A good, highly bankable actor, until 12 Monkeys and Seven had rolled around in 1995. After his performances in both, a stamp was firmly placed on his status that he truly became a great actor who was serious about his work. Today, the sentiment still rings true. What's impressive about 12 Monkeys is the number of red herrings, including Brad Pitt's character, which take everybody on the wrong track. By the time Dr. Catherine Riley realizes the true connection by seeing a picture of the red-haired guy in the newspaper, the film becomes something else, setting up the fateful shootout at the airport. At that point, as the event happens, it's interesting that James Cole is shot dead for a small-time crime when he is actually trying to save the world, or is he? The other interesting point, which can be safely dismissed because it has already happened regardless, is that he might have hinted the idea to Jeffrey Goins of spreading a deadly virus to wipe out mankind. In the meantime, Riley starts out as an unbeliever because she has all of the experience of dealing with mental patients. Yet when she puts together the evidence and starts to connect the dots, she becomes a believer. It's a very remarkable cinematic transformation of her character, because we know, but she doesn't know yet. James Cole is an intriguing character because he is disoriented by many things. The time travel, being in different periods of time, the various drugs, and the distorted memories. He is required for the mission because he is proven to be mentally tough and is able to fight through the adversity. It's unfair to say that he didn't succeed. The best part of the film is the Mobius strip effect, where all of the characters converge to a single event that clarifies everything, thus enhancing the film's replayability value. I say this because the first time I saw the movie at the theater in 1995, it didn't make a lot of sense to me. The more times that I have watched it, the more that I'm highly impressed with the story. Finally, I hate to fail to mention how marvelous Bruce Willis is in this one. It's one of the few movies he can be taken seriously as an actor. In fact, taken from IMDb, Terry Gilliam gave Bruce Willis a list of Will's acting cliches not to be used during the film. That's a very smart move on Gilliam's part, and it actually shows in the film. His co-star Madeline Stowe is excellent as usual. I consider 12 Monkeys a Philadelphia-based picture with shots of Eastern State Penitentiary, Philadelphia Museum of Art, City Hall, Met Theater, Wanamaker's department store, etc. All in all, 12 Monkeys is one of the best sci-fi pictures ever made, solidifying Terry Gilliam's reputation as a master director. Again, if you are into sci-fi, you want to see something really cool, or maybe you're a native to Philadelphia, you should definitely check out 12 Monkeys. You won't regret it, and you'll definitely be entertained. Let's go ahead and take a quick look at the poster one more time. Very cool shadow, and very cool effects. I really like this poster. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. Please tune into my other movie reviews. Thank you. Bye-bye.